In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add EMA Convergence in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is the same. Once your chart is up on the screen, move your attention to the top of the chart window. You're looking for the Indicators button. This is usually found near the top toolbar, above the price chart itself. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where all of TradingView's built-in tools and custom scripts live, and it's the main place you'll go whenever you want to add something new to your chart. When you click Indicators, a panel will pop up, usually in the middle or on the side of your screen. At the top of this panel, you'll see a search box. Click directly into that search box so you can start typing. This search feature is really powerful because you don't have to scroll through a long list of categories or indicators. Instead, you just type exactly what you're looking for and TradingView will filter everything down for you automatically. Now, in the search bar, type EMA Convergence. As you type, you'll see a list of results appear below. Make sure you carefully read the names of the indicators in the list so you select the one that matches EMA Convergence exactly, or the version you specifically want to use. When you see it appear in the results, simply click on it once. As soon as you do, TradingView will add it directly to your chart. You should now see the EMA Convergence indicator appear, either overlaid on your price chart or in a separate pane below, depending on how it's designed. If you want to customize it, hover your mouse over the name of the indicator on your chart or in the left side panel and click the settings icon. Here you can usually adjust things like the EMA lengths, colors, line thickness, and other visual preferences. Take a moment to tweak these settings so the indicator stands out clearly against your chart background and is easy for you to read at a glance. If you don't already have TradingView Pro and you want more features, faster data, or additional indicators on your chart at the same time, check out the affiliate link in the description. Using that link supports the channel at no extra cost to you and gives you access to the full TradingView Pro experience, so you can get the most out of tools like EMA Convergence.